Imagine how much heat these sweaty nightclub goers are producing. What if, instead of being wasted, that energy could be harnessed, stored and used later to heat or cool other rooms? This venue in Scotland has been doing just that, through the use of an innovative system called body heat. Andrew Fleming-Brown is the managing director of the venue SWG3.
Body heat, in essence, is our audience generating heat, which rises and it goes a long way in a room like this, and is then captured in these cassettes above us and literally piped back through a plant room into boreholes in the ground, which are out in our community garden.
Fleming-Brown estimates that someone dancing their hardest can give off about 500 watts of power, compared to around 150 watts if you're just sitting on the couch. Capturing energy from gig attendees has allowed his venue's gas boiler to completely retire, saving money and cutting their energy use. Geothermal geologist David Walls helped Town Rock Energy develop the system.
That heat that's transferred from the nightclub then gets transported out to here, which is the community garden, and we've got 12 boreholes beneath the ground. The heat gets transferred into the rocks, which these boreholes access, and that's used to store the heat. Then when we need the heating for something else, at a different time of day or a different part of the venue, we can transfer the heat from the rocks back into the venue.
Previous attempts to make music venues more eco-friendly include dance floors that generate electricity and pedal-powered concerts. But according to Fleming-Brown, none have offered the industry such a realistic way of lowering its emissions as body heat.
It potentially is a huge solution for the industry or the venues across the industry. I think the Coldplay is a great example of artists taking the lead, and we're starting to see that a lot with artists coming to the venue, where they start to inquire a little bit about the environmental credentials of venues. So if artists are making those initial inquiries and starting to kind of put their name towards sustainability, their fans and our audience will follow. So just by coming to an event, coming to a gig or a club or anything, you're part of that kind of low carbon solution.